If you can't measure it, you can't scale it. Most mobile apps fail not because of bad features, but because no one is watching what happens in production. That's where observability comes in. What is observability? Observability answers why is the app slow? Why did this payment fail? Why are users dropping? Why did crash rate spike after release? It's built on three pillars: matrices, logs, tracing, plus crash reporting, real user monitoring. Matrices are measurable values collected over time. Example in mobile development: app startup time, screen load time, API response time, memory usage, battery consumption, DAU, MAU, crash free users. Performance matrices, you must track it: cold start time, warm start time, time to interactive, frame drops, network latency. Popular tools to make this: Google Firebase performance, Datadog, New Relic, and the logging. Bad logging will be something like this: log.d, and you put your tag and your message. But good logging will be like that. The best practices: use structured JSON logs. Never log sensitive data. Include correlation IDs. Control log levels. Debug info error. And logs must be searchable and filterable. Distributed tracing. Tracing follows a request across services. For example, when a user taps a pay button, trace shows mobile API gateway, payment service, fraud service, database, notification service. If latency equals 3 seconds, trace tells you exactly which service caused a delay. Used heavily in microservices environments. Crash reporting. You cannot scale without crash visibility. Crash tools provide stack traces, device info, operating system version, app version, breadcrumb logs, and the popular tools: Google Crashlytics, Sentry. Architect level questions. Ask yourself, is crash happening only on Android 14, for example, only on low memory devices, only after certain feature flag enabled? Observability connects crashes to context. The real user monitoring. You must measure real users. Track real device performance, real network conditions, real user flows. For example, when a payment success rate by country, API latency by carrier, crash rate by device model. That's production intelligence. Alerting strategy. Monitoring without altering equal useless. Define thresholds: crash rate, API latency, payment failure spike. Alerts must be actionable, not noisy, escalated properly. Otherwise, teams ignore them. Observability in a fintech context. Payment flow must track request ID, user ID, transaction ID, encryption status, retry attempts, final status. If the transaction fails, you must answer in minutes: the client bug, backend overload, network timeout, fraud, system rejection. Observability is how you protect revenue. The common mistakes: logging too little, logging too much, no correlation IDs, no environment separation, ignoring performance regressions, and no alert thresholds. The architect mindset. Ask yourself, can I detect performance degradation before users complain? Can I trace a failed payment end to end? Can I measure feature impact? Can I correlate crash to release version? Can I roll back quickly if matrices spike? Observability is about control under uncertainty. At scale, your mobile app is not just code. It's a live distributed system, and if you don't observe it, you don't control it. Thanks for watching and see you next video.